Welcome. If Facebook fundraiser notifications are constantly popping up with sound and distracting you, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off the sound for fundraiser notifications on Facebook using your PC. The steps are simple, and this new update makes it a bit easier to control what you hear. First, open your browser and go to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the notifications icon. This is where you usually see alerts about activity, including fundraisers. After opening the notifications panel, find the three dots in the top section of that menu and click on them. A small drop-down will appear. From there, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can manage how different types of notifications behave on your account. Now, scroll down through the list until you find Fundraisers. Click on it to open the settings for fundraiser-related notifications. Here's the important part. Look for the option labeled Allow Notifications on Facebook. Once you see it, simply toggle it off. This will disable those fundraiser notifications, including their sound, so they no longer interrupt your browsing experience. And that's it. You've successfully turned off fundraiser notification sounds on Facebook. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you want a quieter, more focused experience while using Facebook on your PC. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more quick tutorials like this to stay in control of your social media settings.